So then why do I go around with such strong rhetoric and activism against mass immigration? Why would I want to stop these struggling families from getting to Europe? Well, my reason for this is because mass immigration is not the rainbows and unicorns that our politicians portray it as. It is, in fact, a tragedy. It is a moral nightmare, and we need to wake up to it. So, as I like to do on this channel, it is time to talk about some inconvenient truths.
Such as?
Well, I'm here right on the scene, just by the police cordon, and a strange sense of calm has descended here in Manchester following the huge chaos that erupted at about 11 p.m. local time when a big explosion was heard at the entrance to the arena. I arrived on the scene about 20 minutes after that, and it was a scene of carnage. There was crowds of people.
Oh, thank God she's not
away from
she's
the
not
arena.
hurt. Thank Jesus.
There were parents running into the arena to try to find their children who were lost. And the first people that I spoke to were a couple of young women in their 20s who'd been at this Ariana Grande concert and had seen the explosion. They were so close to the explosion that they were hit by pieces of debris, and they missed death, they said, by a matter of minutes. As we know, there have been multiple fatalities here, although the number has not been confirmed, and a good deal of quite horrific injuries, as well as a lot of lighter injuries as well. Those two young women told me that they saw a woman covered in blood, leaning against a parked car waiting for assistance. They saw a child being lifted into an ambulance by paramedics. All the wounded were herded into a car park to begin with, and now some other casualty stations have been set up as well in nearby hotels. There's one hotel nearby